आज एक और कुत्ता लभी है जी। ए तको जी, ये ब्रीड में भी रखी। ए तको जी, इसकी क्या आखने, तिब्बतन मैस्टिफ। What breed is it? Tibetan Mastiff, yeah? Where did you get it from?
Hampstead.
Yeah? Is it Tibetan?
He's.
What country is it from?
He's from England.
England?
Yeah. Born in Wales.
Yeah, it's very nice dog, man.
Yes. Born in Wales.
How long did you have kept it this?
I've had him for a year.
3 years?
Yeah, he's 9.
I had a same one like this, back home, same one. That's why I liked
I
it.
rescued him 3 years ago.
Yeah?
Took him off someone that was just maltreating him, not treating him properly. Underweight, matted, stop.
Are they good dogs?
Oh, he's brilliant.
Yeah?
He is brilliant.
Are they good with the family?
Brilliant with family.
Yeah?
My granddaughter, 19-month-old, she can feed him by hand.
Oh.
Can't she? Hey, you love your Isla, don't you?
Oh, तको जी क्या चीज़ है जी।
Hey?
इस नाइट तको कितना बड़ा।
You love your Isla. Good boy, ain't you? Great for around the house.
I love this dog, man. I love this breed, man. It's so.
First one I've had, but I tell you what, best dog I've had.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are best, man. They are best. They are good breed.
Loyal. Quiet.
Yeah.
Don't take up that much. The size of them, you think, take up loads of house space in the house. No. Look at the camera.
तको जी, बिल्कुल ये चीज़ मैं भी रखी। Thank you very much.
No,
thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
You have a good day.
Yeah. Thank you. Cheers.
Come on in. Let's go. This way. Come on. Let's go finish our walk. Come on.
Lovely.
Come on. Let's go finish our walk. Come on, then. Come on. Come on in. He's actually got his own Facebook page. Come on.
तको जी कुत्ता। What's his name?
Serious.
Sirius.
Yeah.
Nice dog, man. What breed is it?
English Bulldog.
English Bulldog, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a good dog, man.
Yeah, nice one, man.
How old is he?
3 years old.
3-year-old.
Yeah.
Good dog, man.
Yeah, nice one, man.
Yeah.
Have you got any pound coins? Because
You
this
want a
man
pound coin?
Yeah, because this man needs pound coins in the shop.
Yeah, I'll give him some.
Yeah.
Good, man. Good, man. Thanks.
Yeah.
Cheers.
That's
Thank you.
alright, man.
चीज तको जी, यह काफी दूर खलता हुआ जापानी कीता। तको जी, असल में कुत्ते रखे हुए, लेकिन यह चीज़ तको, ये प्योर बकरवाली कुत्ता जी। Can you just little walk?
Leo.
तको जी, तक चीज़ तको जी, कितनी चंगी चीज़ है जी। Nice breed, pure breed.
Yes.
Pure breed, isn't it?
Yeah.
What breed is it?
He's a Leon burger.
Leon Burger.
Leon burger. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you Google it, you can get the history of them.
Yeah. Nice. Where did you get it from?
A place called in Burnley in Lancashire.
Lancashire, yeah.
Yes,
Is he British breed or I think he's a
German.
German breed, yeah?
Yes, German. breed.
Very nice dog, very nice. Lovely dog, man.
You'll have to get yourself one.
I got 3 of them.
Have you?
Yeah, I got not up here back home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's nice, man.
Good.
It's nice, very nice, beautiful dog.
Thank you.
तको जी कुत्ता तकिया दे असां भी रखे हैं लेकिन ये कुत्ते की तकी गिनो बहुत अच्छी ब्रीड ही थैंक यू वेरी मच cheers thank you cheers thank you thanks thank you bye 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 हाँ तको जी चीज़ तको बड़ा ब्यूटी बहुत नाइस ब्रीड है जी